Oh.
Oh, my bad.
Who are you?
Oh my. Wemmbu,
I see.
Get him.
Yes, guys, all crowd under cover when fighting me. That seems like a good idea.
Watch out.
This player that's trying to remain anonymous is hunting down Egg Jen.
Look, if you're coming to ask for my help, I understand that I'm the king of the server. I'm sorry, I don't have time. Oh, what's good, Wemmbu?
You get out!
Jump,
I have
jump,
full
jump, jump,
armor!
jump,
Get out!
Theo, I'm dead. I need help. I need help. I need help.
Take a stack of pearls. It's on the ground.
I can't,
my God.
I can't. I literally can't.
Dude,